One of the greatest challenges we've ever hit in the real estate industry is the whole idea that we should be sending out some sort of form of a proposal. I overly hate the word proposal. It's like a say no, like literally it's like set in concrete. It makes it really hard. So what do? You actually do a draft summary. If you're at the end of a listing presentation and you've done everything that we've ever suggested, you've done all the trial closes, you've done the summary close, you've got it there, you're ready to rock and roll, and then they just say to you, you know what, Josh, we need to think about it. We need to take forward the proposal to go to someone at work who's going to be helping us to pay for those relocation costs. Or maybe they want to talk to some other beneficiaries if it's a part of an estate. Then no problem, Mr. and Mrs. Persona, we actually just don't do a proposal. But what we actually do is like a draft summary. Now I've got two versions of this. I've got a short form, but also a long form version. The short form is a couple of lines. The long form is multiple pages. What would you prefer, the short or the long form? Ultimately, I'd like the short form, no problems. And then what I actually do is I send it this way. In the actual subject headline, I actually have draft summary. And then literally in the body copy, hi Hannah, so lovely to see you yesterday about the potential sale of your home and we'd be thrilled to represent you in Marketplace. Please find below a list of the items in summary. And please note this is in a draft format. So if you see anything, and I mean anything at all that needs to be changed, we are more than flexible in our approach. Pricing, marketing method, timing, fee, why us? We really look forward to your instructions. We'd love to have the opportunity to sell your property. If you have any questions at all, please contact me on the below number, else I'll speak to you tomorrow afternoon. It's simple, it's fast, it's highly effective, and in a time-poor society, it allows you to cut to the chase. And by using that word draft, it allows you to make changes because you're not locked into something that was already in a set proposal. The problem is the proposals are too long, they're not often read, and ultimately they're in a position they're too bulky and people are never in a position that they choose based on those items. You're at your best when you're in front of them. Try to sign while you're there. And if you can't, then send a draft summary and you're going to find that you're going to close more business more often.